The DJI FPV drone has officially been announced, and it is available to purchase on DJI's website for $1,300 US. So just like all the leaks, it looks just as we expected it to look. It literally has the same exact design as the leaks, which goes to show that DJI is horrible at keeping a secret. But it is really cool because it was exactly as predicted. And basically it shoots 4K at 60 frames per second. It has OcuSync 3.0, and for $1,300, that's pretty good for what you get. You get the goggles, the controller, and the drone. You also get spare propellers. The other part of it is the accessories. So to purchase more batteries, I believe each battery is like $150-ish, maybe a little bit more than that. And then the 2-year protection plan is $319. So it's a little bit more than $1,300 if you plan on getting the accessories. But overall, it is a really awesome looking drone, especially for filmmakers. I've seen like two sides of the argument here. I've seen the true FPV people that build their own quads say that it's a waste of money and that they won't buy it, whereas I see filmmakers saying that this is awesome. I'm a filmmaker and I disagree with the FPV people. I think this drone is awesome. FPV people, you know, they've been in this for a long time. They prefer to build their own quads, and you know, they think that that's better, and that's okay for them. But for people like me that are filmmakers, we're not really like engineers, and I just feel like building my own FPV drone would likely never happen. But buying a already built FPV drone is definitely something that I am open to 100%, and I am very excited to get one myself. Now the question is, did I order the new DJI FPV drone? Almost. I stopped myself because, to be honest with you, I don't have an unlimited budget to just buy drones, and I anticipate the Mavic 3 to be coming out this year. So basically, I am just not going to buy the DJI FPV drone right now because I'm really putting all my eggs in the Mavic 3 basket. I just want that drone as soon as it comes out. Honestly, the Mavic 2 has been crazy for my business. It's changed my drone business, and I feel like the Mavic 3 would be a better financial decision for me right now versus investing in, you know, the FPV system. But at some point this year, I would like to buy that as well if my budget allows me to. So that's where I currently stand with the FPV drone. I'm super excited to see what other YouTubers create. I've already watched a couple of reviews from the super big YouTubers that have already been flying it for weeks, and based off of what they're saying, this thing is awesome. I totally wish that I could buy one right now and review it for you guys, but it's just not the right move for me to make at the moment. Expect more drone videos on other DJI drones like the DJI Mavic 2 Pro and the DJI Mini 2. Lots of tutorials coming out about that. I also have editing tutorials coming out soon, so definitely look out for those. But yeah guys, I just wanted to come on camera and talk about the DJI FPV drone one last time. I'm not going to keep talking about it until I own it. I feel like that's lame to, you know, just make content about a drone that you don't own. So this is probably going to be it for a while with talking about the DJI FPV drone until I get my hands on it. But yeah guys, super exciting. Are you going to be getting the DJI FPV drone? Let me know in the comment section below. I can't wait to hear from you guys. And if you are going to get it, I'm definitely going to stop by your YouTube channel and subscribe because I want to see all the footage I can from the drone. So if you're getting it, let me know. I'm curious to see it. But thank you guys for watching. If you liked the video, definitely hit the subscribe button and notification bell. Also make sure to hit the thumbs up button. That will help this video rank higher for me in the algorithm. But until the next one, I'm out.